Storms carve out destruction in a local community. You're looking at video from Carroll County where a tornado tore through near Hillsville. You can see a home is damaged, trees were knocked down. WFXR News actually spoke with a man whose neighbor's home was torn from its foundation. He describes the moment the owner jumped to protect his family as that tornado touched down.
He said that when it hit, that he threw his wife into the floor and run over and grabbed Aspen, his little girl, and threw her on the floor, and he got on top of him. And he said that he thought it was going to suck him out of the house. He said he actually thought it was going to, pick him up.
A terrifying situation. Thankfully, we are told that no one was injured in that storm. Our team covering this storm from every angle. We'll begin with Damon Reynolds, who spent the day with the National Weather Service surveying the damage.
Well, according to the National Weather Service, the storm that ripped through Carroll County was actually a tornado with winds up to 122 miles per hour. They're actually classifying it as an EF-2 tornado.
We've seen a tremendous amount of storm damage across Gladesboro Road.
Trees all over the ground. A house was lifted from its foundation with the roof torn off. Warning coordinator meteorologist Phil Heisel of the National Weather Service says things could have been much worse.
Thank goodness that nobody was injured in the home.
Heisel says the tornado that people witnessed Wednesday night is not that rare in Virginia.
In Western Virginia, typically the wind damage we have, whether it's from straight line winds or from tornadoes, are typically in that 100 to 120 mile per hour range, and that's where this damage is falling in as well. So while we would never wish this on anybody, this is not that uncommon.
One local woman is just glad that no one was hurt.
I was relieved this morning when I was informed that there had been no injuries reported.
Well, Heisel further says when situations like these occur, you should always have the weather app on your mobile devices so that you can be alerted about any inclement weather that may be in the area. Now, in addition, he also says that you should know a safe place to go in this situation. But not only that, be a force of nature and help spread the word to community members if there is danger in the area. In Carroll County, Damon Reynolds, WFXR News.
Damon, thank you. Now, the school district is actually offering help for families impacted by the tornado. They're offering meals as well as showers if needed.